When using a new vinyl, it's always good to do a test cut just to be sure you have your blades set at the right number. My image has already been designed, I'm just retrieving it off of my machine. This SKYRIM image I got off the computer. I printed it and scanned it into my scan and cut. At the end of the video, I'll show you how I designed everything and saved it into my machine. I am cutting around the image and I'm going to save as much vinyl as I can. When I'm weeding the vinyl, I try to pull it off at an angle. It tends to come off a little bit easier. And then when you get into the small places, just be very, very careful, especially with words, because you will pull off the words if you're not careful. I'm using a heat press, but if you do not have one, an iron will work. Just be sure that you press it down and hold it. You don't rub. I'm trying to get this t-shirt on as straight as possible and the vinyl on the t-shirt as straight as possible. It's never going to be perfect, but I try to get it as close as I can. With this vinyl, I have to wait for it to completely cool down before I can peel off the clear backing. And it's a little bit tough, but you just have to take it very slowly. As you can see, it turned out great. I would recommend this vinyl to anyone. As promised, this is how I designed everything after scanning the image in, and then I added the words. And you have to be sure to reverse the image when you're working with t-shirt vinyl. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment with any questions.